The Duke and Duchess of Windsor, formerly King Edward VIII and Wallis Simpson, visited Nazi Germany in October 1937. Edward had abdicated the British throne in December 1936, and his brother George VI had become king. Edward had been given the title Duke of Windsor and married Wallis Simpson in June 1937. He appeared to have been sympathetic to Germany in this period and, that September, announced his intention to travel privately to Germany to tour factories. His interests, officially into researching the social and economic conditions of the working classes, were against a backdrop of looming war in Europe. The Duke's supporters saw him as a potential peacemaker between Britain and Germany, but the UK government refused to sanction such a role and was against the tour, suspecting that the Nazis would use the Duke's presence for propaganda. Windsor was keen that his wife, who had been rejected by the British establishment, experience a state visit as his consort. He promised the government to keep a low profile. The tour went ahead between 12 and 23 October 1937. The Duke and Duchess, who were officially invited to the country by the German Labour Front, were chaperoned for much of their visit by its leader, Robert Lee. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.